In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monzo Virtual Card 2025. A virtual card lets you pay online with a unique card number that's separate from your physical debit card. It's great for extra security, keeping subscriptions organized, and turning off a card instantly without affecting your main card. Availability can depend on your plan and region, so make sure your app is up to date and that virtual cards are enabled for your account. Start by opening your Monzo app. Log in as you normally would, and give it a second to refresh your balance and recent activity. If you're prompted to update, it's worth doing that first so you see the latest options. Next, head to the Cards tab. You'll find it in the main navigation of the app. This is where Monzo keeps all your card controls in one place. You should see your physical card here, and options related to virtual cards if your account supports them. From here, create a virtual card. Look for the option to add or create a new virtual card and tap it. You may be asked to choose a name or color which helps you tell cards apart. For example, naming one streaming or travel. Confirm, and the app will generate new card details for you in a few moments. Once it's created, you can view your card details. Tap to reveal the card number, expiry date, and security code. For security, the app may hide the details until you authenticate. Use the copy buttons, if provided, and remember to hide the details again when you're done. Avoid screenshots and screen recordings when the details are visible, and only share them with trusted merchants. You can now use this virtual card for online payments. At checkout, enter the card number, expiry date, CVC, and the billing address associated with your Monzo account. Some websites will trigger an extra security check, and you'll approve that inside the Monzo app. Virtual cards work well for trials, subscriptions, and retailers you don't frequently use because you can disable or delete the card later without affecting your main card. Finally, manage or delete your card anytime from the same Cards tab. You can rename it, freeze it temporarily to block new payments, or delete it to stop future charges. Deleting won't reverse completed transactions, and active subscriptions will fail once the card is gone. So update any services you still want before you remove it. That's it. Open the app, go to Cards, create your virtual card, view the details securely, use it online, and manage or delete it whenever you need.